Hey friends, if mobile hotspot is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first resolution is to make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. Now click on the system tray here and you'll find the airplane mode in this list. Make sure that it is disabled. It should be off. The second solution is to check the whether the mobile hotspot works with other computers or not, because this will isolate the case whether the mobile hotspot is active or not. Mobile hotspots work through your SIM card, and that's why the SIM card also needs to be recharged on time. The third solution is to disable Bluetooth on your device, which means that if Bluetooth is enabled, then we may face problems. So click on the system tray here and you'll see Bluetooth here. Simply disable it. The next solution is to restart the Windows Mobile Hotspot service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now scroll down to the Windows Mobile Hotspot service. Right click on it and select restart, or if it is not started, then click on start, because without this the hotspot will not connect. The last solution is to update the network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list of network adapters, right click on the MediaTek adapter and search automatically for drivers, the Realtek one, and search automatically for drivers, and you can update all of these. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.